Hey guys, I first want to thank Heather, one, for putting this entire brunch together for everybody here today, and for the Hubbard House and all the people that are going through domestic violence. I also want to thank Heather for sharing and being so vulnerable with her story, not letting it hold her down, but creating a gift from it to help inspire others to seek self-compassion within themselves. And thirdly, I want to thank Heather for inviting me to help lead this part of the brunch, where I help guide you through self-compassion. Whether you've done this before or this is your first time truly connecting with who you are to your core, Heather, you are amazing. We are so grateful that you exist, and I'm so grateful for everybody there, whether you're a volunteer, whether you're a guest, a vendor, everyone. Thank you for choosing you today. Thank you for choosing to help others today. Self-compassion is something that definitely should be taught at a young age. Unfortunately, it's not in most cultures. So we're here today with self-compassion is a form of self-love. And with that, we're going to learn to be mindful of, in Native American culture, the two wolves that are within us all the time, which are the two ways of thinking, the negative thoughts and the positive thoughts. I myself have been through certain situations and relationships where I definitely should have left sooner, but I didn't feel safe to do so. And I know you may have gone through that as well, or you know someone that did. The more we can be self-compassionate, the more our tolerance for situations like that diminish and dissolve, for us to know where our boundaries lie, where we deserve respect and love. So with you today, you guys should have mirrors, and I want you to grab your mirror, choose whether you want it magnified or not. That's totally up to you. And this is going to be possibly a little uncomfortable for some of you guys if you've never done it before. And in the beginning of starting self-compassion, it will create a floodgate of all the negative thoughts that we've heard in the past, maybe someone saying something to you or you creating the belief from yourself from the past. They will start to come up. And this is where self-compassion comes in. We are all human. The thoughts will come. We are simply here to decide which of the two wolves we are going to listen to in that moment. Step by step, day by day, there is no rush. You will be able to learn how to love yourself more, to hold space for yourself more. So with your mirror, I politely ask you to open it and look at yourself in this mirror. Meet your gaze. Look at your face. Notice what pops up first. Is it immediate positive thoughts? Or are you starting to look at the little flaws on your face? Don't judge, just observe. You are the observer of your entire life. Simply observe. If the negative thoughts come up, just bring yourself back. And so as you look at yourself, look into your eyes. Notice who you're looking at. This is the one person that has been there for you since day one. This is the one person that will be there for you for the rest of your life. Of course, we have support systems, but this one that you're looking at in this mirror, this is your biggest cheerleader. So as you look at yourself, I want you to say your name and say, I see you. I am here for you. I love you. I forgive you. It's okay that we might have made that mistake. We've learned our lesson. I'm listening to you now. And notice what age that might pop up within you. You might have gone back to when you were 3 or 5 or 14 or even last week where you had a major event happen. Placing your hand on your heart and closing your eyes for a minute. Just focus within yourself. What do you really need to hear right now? What is that one thing that you've been waiting to hear, waiting for somebody else to say it to you? But now it's time for you to step into your own power. We've all gone through something. And we've all gotten stronger from that something. And this is just your first step of self-compassion. Just meeting you where you're at. You are the most incredible thing in existence right now. We need you for a very specific reason. Your own individual purpose. And whether you know that what it is or not, that's okay. There is no pressure. By starting this journey of self-love and self-compassion, you'll slowly uncover and remember who you've always been this whole time. You will rediscover parts about yourself that you forgot, or find new parts that you're just integrating within yourself. This isn't like school, where you have to rush to meet a deadline and pass a test. This is true life, where you just get to be you. We need you to be you. And everything you've been through has brought you to this point today. I myself have been through a lot of challenging events in my life. I've been married, I've been divorced. I'm raising a beautiful 10-year-old autistic son. I've been bedbound, I brought myself back from the bed. And I know you have a story to tell too. But you first need to allow yourself to be nicer to yourself and to stand up for yourself. Remembering who you are is a process, and I hope today you get to meet someone that you connect with and you guys can help each other grow together. I appreciate you all so much. Hand on heart, you are truly a gift. Thank you so much for existing. By connecting with your emotions, no matter how angry or sad or scared or anything you feel, you will start to reclaim your inner authority, your inner power back. It's a process. And I thank you so much for starting